Seeing this video again just makes me regret making it. So what am I gonna do now? Well, do a commentary on someone who did the same mistake, of course.
Why do you feel the need to do that? If somebody wants to do a commentary on someone that's old news, then let them. It's hardly harming anyone, is it?
Okay, as for you saying, let people do commentaries on dead topics if they want to. There are problems when it comes to that. One, they may not bring something new to the table, and if they do, they might bring up something that was already said by so many people before. Two, people may not care about them anymore. And three, they're not even relevant to the CC anymore, and they might end up becoming easy targets. Besides, Game Dew hasn't been relevant since 2010, so it was not worth it for Isaac to do a commentary on him.
First off, no, you. Second off, he's right. You should let people do commentaries on dead topics if they want. That's what made the third generation CC so awesome. And he sure wants people like Shadow Star 1224 back like I and Spy Scriber do. He's smart while you are a stupid fucking capitalist.